Today here we will see what are the perovskite structures. So here is the basic formula of perovskite structure, that is AbO3. Now what is Ab? Ab are the cations and O3 are the anions. Here is the list of cations and anions present in the perovskite structures. So in the place of Ab we can use these cations written on the left hand side, and on the place of O3 we can replace any kind of anions giving in this list. So this is the main crystal which is called as perovskite structure. Here we can see some of the atoms are present on corners, some of the atoms are present in the body, and some of the atoms are present on the faces. Okay, what kind of structure this is? This is ObO3. Now we can see in body we are having lead ion, in faces we are having halogen ions, and in corners we are having ammonium ion. So this whole combines to make a perovskite structure. There are different examples of perovskite structures given here, and all will behave like the same structure. Some will be present, some atoms will be present in the body, some will be present on the faces, and some atoms will be arranged on the corners. So these are the examples. CsPbI3 having band gap of 1.73 electron volt, CsPbI2Br, and the band gap is 1.82 to 1.92 eV, CsPbI2Br3 Br, and the fourth example is CsPb Br3, and the band gap is 2.36. Now, if you talk about the application, this perovskite acts as a solar cell. How this works? So the working is very simple. This perovskite structure uh, acts as a have on its depletion region. This depletion region will be destroyed by introducing some kind of light on it. When the light will fall, we will place n type materials on upper side of perovskite and p type material on lower side of perovskite. This perovskite is acting as a depletion region. This depletion region will be destroyed by the introduction of light. So when we will introduce the light, this depletion region will be destroyed, and electrons will start move towards the p-type material, and holes will start and feel attraction towards n-type material. So depletion region will be destroyed, and flow of current will be started. So this perovskite structure will act as a solar cell. So this type of structure where we have a general formula AbO3 is known as perovskite structure.